Good morning, class 7th. We were reading about heat, which is chapter 4 of science. In the previous classes, we have seen about the little introduction of heat, measurement of temperature. In the last class, we read that we cannot recognize the warmth or coolness of something just from our hand, because a correct observation is not revealed by hands. So now students, we are going to read page number 42. So students, open page number 42 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. We have often heard that the temperature is very high today. What is this temperature? We have often heard people say that today's temperature is very hot. What is this temperature? Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, that is K. It is a measure of the heat energy present in it. Thermometer is reliable device to measure hotness of a body. Okay. The hotness and coldness of any object is measured by temperature. The unit of temperature is Kelvin, that is K. It is a measure of the heat energy which is present inside it. Thermometer is a faithful. You know that reliable means faithful. Just a minute. Thermometer is a faithful device to measure hotness of a body. Now, thermometer measuring temperature. When you or any member of your family suffers from fever, the temperature is measured using a thermometer. When anyone falls ill in your house, you use a thermometer to check its body temperature. A thermometer is made of a thin, long and uniform glass tube called capillary tube. It has a bulb at one end. A silver colored liquid called mercury present in the bulb is used for measuring temperature. Mercury is a thermometric fluid. Okay. So we have seen in this paragraph that the thermometer is made of a thin, long, transparent glass tube called a capillary tube. There is a bulb in one corner of the thermometer. A silver colored fluid filled with a thermometer is called mercury. It is through mercury that we detect the warmth of something. If placing a thermometer on a hot thing, the mercury moves above from its normal level. It means that thing is warm. Is that clear, students? Thermometer works on the principle that heat energy causes expansion. Underline this word. Expansion means enlargement in size. When solids, liquids and gases are heated, they expand. The expansion of any substance upon heating depends upon the material it is made of and the amount of heat given. The extent of expansion is a very less in solids while just a minute heat given. So let's see. The thermometer works on the principle of how much an object has expanded after getting heat. Solid, liquid and gas, if given a heat, they expand in their size. We can determine the expansion of an object by how much heat have been given to that object and from which object it is made. Now we can move. The extent of expansion is very less in solid while it is quite high in gases. Therefore, expansion of liquids is usually monitored to measure temperature. Means solid expansion is very low and gas expansion is very high. That's why we use liquid, that is mercury, to measure heat. Is that clear, students? Now that's all for today class. In the next class we will start this paragraph. We will know Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale and we will know about this formula. Here you can see expansion. This is the definition of expansion. It is the increase in diameter, that is length, breadth and or height. So expansion is a increment in diameter of any object, that is length of object, breadth of object or height of an object. Is that clear? So student, that's all for today. Thank you class.